So let's see how we can install the Skylark bank script. So actually this is the script itself. Let's load up the script. This is the script. Okay, so we are going to install it on this subdomain. This is a subdomain, all right? So I'll open the subdomain. So whichever folder you're uploading your own, you just go straight and you upload the scripts and you have something like this. Once you are done with that, you click on extract and you click on extract files. So we can see this is our subdomain here. You can see it's showing 404 error, meaning there's nothing inside. So we have extracted it now. We'll click on close. So let's reload. So once you reload, you have something like this folder. You open this folder, you open that folder. So once you open the folder, you can see these are all the major files. All the whole file is inside that folder. So you click on select all, then you click on move. Click on move. You see move here. So now you delete this Skylark folder. Now you leave, why I left this is because it is a subdomain that I'm working with. If I delete this subdomain, it means that I am installing it on the main public HTML, which is not where I want to install it. So where you are installing your own, wherever folder you are installing your own or wherever domain you are installing your own, you take note of that. So I've deleted that Skylark folder, then I'll click on move files. So once you click on move files now, all these files will move to that subdomain. So I'll click on this back here. So you can see now that if I go back, let me open the subdomain again. Look at it here. So now you can see all the whole folders are inside this particular subdomain. All right. So now once you are done with that, the next thing is you open this SQL folder. So you're going to download this SQL folder. Download it to your computer. So it's downloading. After that, you go back to your cPanel and you create a database. So let's go to our cPanel and we'll create a database. So we'll go to database wizard. So now let's give it a name. Let's say test. So click on next step. So test again. All right, so I'm going to copy this as our password. Oh, I hope that is correct. I thought as much. So rest that is fine. I go ahead and click on create user. So click on all privilege, you click make changes. So now that is that, then we'll go back to php so that we can upload the so now this is the database. You open it, you click on it, then you click on import, choose file, the database you just downloaded, you open it, you scroll down, and you click import. So you can see it's done importing. All right, so the next thing is we're going to go back to our file. So we'll connect the database. So now to connect the database, just like I always say, this particular one, you need to read this installation guide. There are many places you connect the database on Skylark Bank. Remember the script version is 7.4. So now you can see that now there are many places you connect it. You go to account df db connect. So let's go to account. You can see now this is accounts. You open it. Then what did it say next? You go to DF. Look at it very well. DF is the next folder. You open DF. Then the last thing there is what? dbconnect.php. So look, see dbconnect.php. You click edit. All right. So rest that is fine. You edit. So look at it very well. You can see where we have db username, db password, and db name. So always take note of that. There are many places. Okay. Let me copy our stuff. Okay. All right. We'll go to the next one, db password, then db name. When you go down again, you can see the other detail. This, this, this. All right. So now, you take note of the site link, the domain name. Make sure you put the domain name, very important. So let's copy the domain name, the link. So we're going to put that link here. So where is it? So we have put the link. So let's scroll down if there's any other DB database we're going to replace. So there's no other one in this particular place again. So click on Save Changes. Site email too, you can change the site email if you want and all of that. So we'll go to the next file we are going to connect. We'll go to account backend connectdb.php. So let's go back. So it says account. So let's open account. This is account, then backend, then connectdb. So scroll down to where we have connectdb.php. Look at it here. You click edit. So we're also going to copy the database details. So you take note of the places where you are changing them. Database name, database username, and database password. Scroll down again to see if there's any place. Just look at it here. We have another one again. This, this. And the last one is here. This, right? So change the domain URL so that we will not have any conflicts. So this is the domain URL. We're going to replace it with our own. Scroll down, but we still have another database details here. So it's not something you just rush. You put in one details and you say you have done it. No, you scroll down and you look very well. Great. Go to the next one. All right, scroll down. So that is that for that. So we'll go and click save. So the next one now is which other place? Accounts/db. So we'll go to that one. We're already on account folder. So we'll look for db.php, right? It says account, then after accounts, we'll go to db.php. So look at it here, db.php. Click edit. So we have this. This. Also scroll down to confirm. this, this, and we have this. All right. So change the URL, confirm, then you go back again, copy the details, and you replace here too. This, this, this. So rest that is fine. You click on save. So I think the last one should be accounts, then beneficiary. So go to accounts, beneficiary is here. So have this, click on edit. So scroll down where we have the database details. You can see that now database credentials. So always be patient while working on this kind of installation. Once you are able to get your installation correctly, every other thing is easier for you to do. So I don't think there's any other database details to add again. Click on save. So that is that for the installation. The installation is perfectly done. So the next one, you can see how to set up your email. You go and put your email details in these places that has been mentioned. In these places that have been mentioned. So that is your work to do. Okay. So now let us view the site and see if it's actually loading up. All right, perfect. So you can see now that the site is coming up. So we see that the site is loading up very well. Okay, so that is how we do the installation. So now for the login details, the admin is slash, you already have the admin login details. I think it should be in the installation link as well. Look at it here. So this is it. Your domain name, then slash account slash backend. So that's what you're going to put. Your domain name slash account slash backend. So it takes you to the admin login page. All right, so for you to get the admin login page, you go back to your database. So you see admin, you click on admin. So you're going to see the username. You can see the username here. Where is it? The email address, admin at mail, then this. So we're going to put it here now. Admin at mail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you click submit. So it will take you to the admin portal. All right. So that is how you install this particular script. So whenever you install any script, any PHP script, you make sure after you installing it and you log into your dashboard, go to settings to confirm if there's anything you need to do in settings. Because sometimes the script does not just end in your file. Other settings can be completed from your admin page. So you can see now this bank name, you remove it and put your own. Bank domain, you remove it and put your own. Likewise the mail, you remove it and put your own. Then you can see address. So make sure you always go to settings in your admin to look through if there's anything you need to do. All right, so that is that for that.